Learning English, Prepositions of Manner. Welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we will delve into the fascinating world of prepositions of manner. Prepositions are essential for constructing accurate and meaningful sentences in English, and understanding their usage will greatly enhance your language skills. So, let's get started. Prepositions of manner describe how an action is performed or the way in which something happens. They provide additional details about verbs and help convey a clearer image of the action or event. These prepositions add depth and precision to your sentences, allowing you to express yourself more effectively. Examples of prepositions of manner include by, with, in, like, as, on, through, along, without, by means of, and many others. Prepositions of manner can be used in various contexts. Let's explore some common ways to utilize them effectively. 2.1 Describing actions. Prepositions of manner are frequently used to describe how an action is performed. For instance, she danced with grace. He painted the portrait in bold strokes. The dog ran like lightning. By using these prepositions, you can vividly illustrate the manner in which an action is executed. 2.2 Comparisons and similes. Prepositions of manner also play a crucial role in making comparisons and creating similes. They help establish similarities between different objects or actions. Consider the following examples. She sings like a nightingale. The car moved as smoothly as silk. Using prepositions of manner in comparisons and similes allows you to draw vivid and imaginative connections, making your language more expressive and engaging. 2.3 Means or instruments. Sometimes, prepositions of manner are used to indicate the means or instruments used to accomplish a task or perform an action. Check out these examples. He repaired the machine with a wrench. She wrote the letter by means of a typewriter. Including these prepositions helps clarify the tools or methods employed to achieve a particular outcome. 2.4 Exceptions. Prepositions of time versus manner. Be aware of the distinction between prepositions of time and manner. Some prepositions, such as in, on, and at, can have both temporal and manner-related meanings. Ensure you understand the context to determine the correct interpretation. Congratulations on completing our lesson on prepositions of manner. We explored how these prepositions enrich your sentences by describing actions, creating comparisons, indicating means, and more. By incorporating prepositions of manner into your language, you can enhance your communication skills and express yourself more precisely. Remember to practice using prepositions of manner in your everyday conversations and writing. The more you familiarize yourself with their usage, the more natural and confident you will become in using them. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep up the great work in your English language learning journey.